Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Ome TV keeps crashing on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to open Ome TV and you will see that Ome TV app is not working or keeps crashing, I'll help you how can you fix it easily. So guys, you can fix it. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back. Scroll it down, click on general and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings from here, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down, click on date and time, set your date and time on automatically, and after this scroll it below and check for software update. You need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and guys, now you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, open your app store, and from here you need to search Ome TV. So guys, as you can see, search it and you need to open Ome TV and you need to check for update if your app is not updated, and after doing update you need to go back. So guys, after doing all these method, your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this you need to scroll it down and click on Ome TV and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and after doing all these settings your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Ome TV easily. So guys, after doing all these methods, if still not fix your problem, click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and if you have not connected any VPN, then you need to connect any VPN, and after doing all these settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.